see possible futures. It's breathtaking.
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. So you hold on to yours. You have a greater purpose than any of us could have ever imagined.
We've really tried to push it up a notch. It is called House of the Dragon.
We are going to change the world.
This is a huge day of news.
It's game on for Vice President Kamala Harris.
I've been waiting for this all year.
You're the best, or you wouldn't be here.
It's a house of horrors.
This was insane!
I think this is an extraordinary time.
I'll be calling the shots. Gonna tear down the empire from the inside out.
The juice is loose.
Let's get out of here.
Very exciting.
Power comes with a price.
It's more important than ever to know what is true and what is not.
Films tell a very unique story of this country.
Let's light this place up!
This world has more than we could possibly imagine.